Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different looks that you can wear while you're working from home or if you're just spending a bit of extra time at home these days. I personally still like to have a bit of a morning routine when I get up before starting my work, and I also just feel like getting dressed and not wearing my PJs makes me a more productive person in general because it kind of makes me feel ready for work rather than just like another day lounging around. These 5 different outfits range from like loungewear that's just a little bit of a step up from wearing PJs to casual outfits that I would actually feel comfortable in if I had to quickly duck out to, I don't know, the supermarket or something. I did actually have a video talking about some new sustainable brands planned. However, I'm actually still waiting for a couple more pieces before that goes up, but that will probably be the next video. Please like this video if you enjoy it, and please subscribe if you want to see similar content from me every week. Outfit 1 is going to be any tank top paired with some joggers or sweatpants. So this is such a comfortable and easy outfit. I think the key here is actually having some loungewear. For years, I just pretty much wore like my old clothes around the house. I really like this assembly label tank top. It's cut quite nicely, and Everlane does a very similar one. It does have a nice scoop neck and it's a little bit looser than a normal tank top, which I think is really great for comfort, especially when you're at home. The bottoms are also from Assembly Label. They're really good for like loungewear, not sponsored, just tend to just have a lot of this stuff. These pants are super comfortable, they have a nice elastic waistband, like a good elastic so it actually does stretch, but at the same time it's not too loose. The material is quite comfortable. It's on the lighter side of like sweatpants, which I personally prefer. Being in Australia, it's still super hot, so having like full sweatpants is not really an option. This kind of outfit is something that I'll definitely feel comfortable in if I had to go out and run some errands quickly, if I had to pop out to the supermarket quickly, or if I just wanted to take a walk at the park, I would happily wear these out. If you wanted some other options with the tank top, I feel like a square cut is also super cute. There are so many brands doing similar ones, and honestly it's just so simple, but that little square neckline makes a world of a difference and really elevates your like loungewear. And then also I have a light pink one, which I feel like the color is so soft and romantic. It is one of those pieces that makes me just feel so much better when I'm wearing super comfortable loungewear style clothes. If you're interested in any of these pieces, as always, I'll have them linked in the description box below, as well as sizing and things like that. I'll also be doing a blog post collating all my favorite loungewear pieces in one spot. In this outfit, I just really wanted to show that you can definitely feel very comfortable at home and be really relaxed, but still look stylish and feel like you're ready to do your work or to take on whatever it is that's a part of your daily routine. I feel like outfit 2 doesn't get much more dressy. It's still very casual. Actually, if not more so. I am wearing this loungewear set. I have the top as well as the joggers, and I don't know why, lately I've just really loved the look of loungewear sets. I recently saw one by Christy Dawn, which is a brand that I've been somewhat interested in lately, and they do these beautiful like loungewear sets. So after seeing that, I kind of really wanted a nice set of loungewear I could wear at home. These are an Iconic exclusive, which is like an Australian really large retailer, and this set has just been super comfortable, easy to wear. I feel like a loungewear set can really look like PJs, to be honest. However, if I just kind of like style it with like a nice bag, some shoes, it's definitely an outfit that I would actually wear these days if I just had to like quickly duck out to maybe like my boyfriend's house or go for a really quiet walk at the park. I feel like this is the outfit that I would just feel comfortable in. I don't really mind if anyone sees me in them, and it's actually kind of cute. Okay, so outfit 3 is your very classic sweatshirt and jeans combo. I've gone for this baby blue sweatshirt. I like the pop of color that it gives. It's a really light blue, and I feel like there is something a bit unexpected about it. It's very pretty baby blue color. It's quite like a minimal lettering of the label, and other than that, it's super simple. The inside is super fluffy and quite soft, and this is like a medium weight sweatshirt. It's a little bit fluffier and a little bit heavier weight than this one that I showed earlier, which is one of those like terry ones that is like super lightweight. For me personally, I don't like hoodies. I don't find them comfortable. It always frustrates me with the hood when I have to lean back on my chair or things like that. It's just one of those things that I actually don't enjoy wearing and don't find comfortable. So a sweatshirt is always my preferred fit. I've started with these Mott & Bow jeans, which are more of a skinny fit, but they're one of my more comfortable jeans because of how much stretch that there is. These jeans look really flattering on, but at the same time, they're also a pair of jeans that I tend to reach for when I want something really comfortable and that feels more like a legging if I wanted to sit in them and work in them all day. These would be a great option if you wanted denim that would feel comfortable in if you're working from home. These are a medium blue wash. I got them in the waist 25 and then the length 26, and this is their mum jean style. But it really fits like a skinny jean, so I'm a bit confused by that, but these are the mum jean. If I was wearing this outfit and had to run to the shops, I feel like it would be a super easy transition. I'll just bring along a tote bag with me as well as wear a pair of slides, and I think I'm ready to go. So outfit 4 is definitely my favorite of the lot, and I reserve this more for days where I want to look a bit nicer, or if I'm just like feeling super bothered and motivated that day. Outfit 4 is basically wearing one of the Douyin blouses, something that's super voluminous, really breezy, lightweight, and most importantly loose. Because there's so much fabric, it's not really touching your body anywhere. It feels very free to wear. I feel like these pieces are not at all distracting. They just feel really comfortable. You just kind of put them on and you forget about it. I tried on 2 styles for you guys. I tried on the Jane style, which is a Douyin classic, super voluminous through the body and sleeves, and I've styled it with the Mott & Bow skinny jeans. And I feel like because it's so voluminous, it works the best with skinny jeans, but of course you can also go for wide-legged ones or even lounge pants if you would prefer. And in the second look with this top on, I style it with the lounge pants, and I also think it's a really comfortable, really cute combo. The next Douyin top that I show is the one I'm currently wearing. This is called the Amourette Smocked Print Cotton Blend Top. So it's 52% cotton, 48% viscose, and this is currently on Net-a-Porter. It has this like ruching on the top, has a bit of ruching on the sleeves, which I love. And likewise, I style it 2 ways. The first one with the lounge pants, and the second one with a pair of Uniqlo jeans, which are more wide-legged. They're super comfortable, super great. If you wanted, once again, a pair of jeans you could wear at home. Not only are these Uniqlo jeans quite wide and therefore like not that restrictive, these jeans are also stretchy, so it's just so comfortable. And you just forget that you're wearing jeans. Which reminds me, I also featured this look in an IGTV video I did showing like 5 autumn looks if you're in the southern hemisphere. If you're in spring right now, they're also super relevant because they're just pretty much really simple transitional outfits. I think of everything I've shown so far, this top paired with like the lounge pants or the jeans has been my favorite. The Douyin pieces are pieces I'll probably wear when I have some kind of like a social event, for example like FaceTiming or I don't know, watching a movie with friends virtually, and it will be what I wear to make me feel like I have plans and like I'm doing something, even if it's all done virtually and at home. The final outfit I have for you guys is a Uniqlo t-shirt dress. It's a midi length, super long, but at the same time the material is like a cotton stretch material, so very comfortable, easy to wear. It might look like it's a bit restrictive on the bottom, but because of the t-shirt stretch, it's just super comfortable. I can't find this online, which is a bit annoying. I'm going to link some similar ones down below. Once again, Everlane does something super similar, and the Uniqlo website does have a few like slightly different alternatives that have the same vibe. But anyways, short sleeve t-shirt, just very straight through the body, and there's a bit of a split right at the bottom. So this is something that I've worn for very different occasions. I worn it out to work with a blazer thrown on top. I've worn it casually just with like simple accessories. This is like the perfect dress I feel like for a work from home kind of day, where if you're FaceTiming someone from the top, you'll still look very polished. You could throw on the blazer if it was super formal, but at the same time you could sit in this all day and have it not bother you at all because of the stretch. If I wanted it to be a bit cuter, a bit less simple, I would throw on this sweatshirt, which is like a nice pop of color, really comfortable. I'll throw it over the top and I feel like it makes it so much cuter, a little bit more trendy, and it would be an outfit that I feel very comfortable working in. So that is all for the 5 outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said earlier, I'll be doing a blog post that's a bit of a roundup of all my favorite loungewear, pieces that I have and I've tried and tested, as well as dupes and similar pieces to what I've shown you today. It will all be in that blog post down below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you want to see similar content every week. I've definitely tried to up the content I've been sharing just because I'm spending a bit more time at home and because I know a lot of you guys are also spending more time at home, and I thought it would be nice just to get more content out. It's also like a way of distracting myself. So if you have any content requests, please feel free to share them with me. I would love your ideas, and I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying healthy, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!